Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is a project share video. If you guys watched my previous video, I showcased some dies from INLOVEART's shop, and today I'm going to show you what I created with 3 of their dies. So the first one that I want to show you is using the circle die. That's a little circle nesting die, and it has like cute little hearts with little X's. So fun, so cute. I decided to create a card and make it like a little shaker card. I'm going to take it out of here so you guys can get the full effect. I also used a bunch of the little pieces from Paper Cherries, which I'll also have linked down below. But you guys, how cute is this die? It's a fun little circle. I did some acetate, and look at that. I used some pink foam. And you guys, the die cut so well. I have little pieces to show you guys what it actually looks like. This is what it looks like when it's cut out. Isn't that pretty? So I cut some out in foam, but I ended up making this super cute little card using some Maggie Holmes Willow Lane paper. I used a Paper Cherries little bow, some of her little, from her kit, some of her little, what are these, like little gemstones. I used some thickers, and I absolutely love how cute this card turned out. So fun. I love that sound. And then I just put smile. So that is the first little project that I created using this die. The next die that I used is this cute little mini album die where you get like little hearts to create like a little book. You can make a card, you can do whatever you want. I chose to make a little mini album. And you guys, I am obsessed with this. I think it's so cute. I did tons of stitching. It's held together with some pink twine. I did some cute little charms here. This is from the Paige Evans Horizon collection. Got a little tassel here. I did some layering with the second heart that they give you in the die. And I made it a shaker just to put it in the center. A bunch of cute little details. This cute little bow. Some word stickers, a puffy sticker from Target. Cute little stars, also I think from Target last year. I did a bunch of stitching. And then I did a few pages. The paper that I used, I think it's also Willow Lane. I think it is. And then this is the second page. I did some stitching on, as you can see, let me try to stay in frame so you guys can see. It's right here on the bottom, just a little peek of it. Cute little flower on top, some layering pieces, some word phrases, some puffy stickers. And then we have this page right here. Cute little felt heart, some puffy a little puffy banner from a birthday pack. I did some trim around it, the word smile, some stitching, super cute. And then look, you guys, a bunch of layering. I did a cute little heart crepe paper rosette. We got some little gemstones, some little ephemera pieces peeking through, some ribbon, some trim, a word sticker, this cute little heart embellishment with a little tassel hanging from it. And then the last page just has some of that Hobby Lobby trim, this cute little glittered heart trim that was sent to me in some Happy Mail, a puffy little sticker with some balloons, and a little word sticker that says remember this. And then on the back I just put my label. I also put eyelets on all the pages. And you guys, I think it turned out so cute. I love tiny little things. You guys know I have a big love for all miniature things. I just love things small sizes. It looks so cute and fun. And look how chunky she looks. So that is the next project that I created using this die. And then last but definitely not least is this die right here, which is a cute little gift bag that you can put in some embellishments and send to a pen pal, a friend. And this is what my bag looks like. You guys, I love this die. It's so easy to put together. You can stuff it with some goodies in there. I decided to decorate the front like overly, put a bunch of layering on it. I did stitching on some of the cards. I did a bunch of like cardstock stickers. I did a tassel, some flowers, enamel dots, some vellum, some layering back here, and I think it turned out super cute. And I think you can put in there like just little packs of the little embellishments for your pen pal. And I think it turned out super cute, you guys. I put my label in the back. You can use the little holes to put some ribbon. This one I decided not to use them, but in other bags, if you want to choose to use the little holes to close it up with some ribbon, you can do so, and it'll look just as darling. But yeah, you guys, those are my project shares for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below which one is your favorite, which one do you want to recreate. I think the little mini album has to be my favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.